Hi guys, I wanted to show you this one. This is Actuator, Woodward. It's in the engine already. So this is the connection. Okay, so this wire is going to the side. So this is the connection on this testing device. So you just plug and play. So let me turn it on, this one. Yeah, you can see this is the feedback from throttle valve, and this is the input signal. If I can see, if I move this one, so I should having a feedback, actual position feedback from the throttle valve. If I can show you this one, please. Yeah, so this is the actual position. So if I move this one, can you hold please? Both hand please. Yeah, thank you. If you see this one, if I move it, it should be moving. Yeah, you can see it is moving. Right now it's fully open, and we have a feedback here which is showing us fully open. If I move back this one, let me show you. So you see that one position is changing already there. Yeah, you can see that one is moving. Yeah, now if I put it back, let's do is 10%, 4 to 20 milliampere. So this is a fully open. I show you that one also. So this is the feedback. We can show you this is a feedback. It's been fully open, and we can see here also that's fully open. So if I move to 0%, you can see it's moving very nicely. So it's been, this is the way we can test this throttle valve even in and off the engine without removing, so to know it's working or not. So if, let's suppose if I put it here, milliampere, so you see the feedback is precise, almost 10 milliampere. We save it here, I switch it off. This is the current position, and it should stay on the current position. There we go. So this is the way we can test this throttle valve actuator by using this device, which is very useful and handy. Yeah, thank you. So this is what we have is a actuator valve. So that's the connection behind it. This is a plug, the standard plug, and there's another plug also. So that's the connection. So if we turn it on, so this is how we can test this device from here. Yeah. So right now that's the position. Okay, and there's a input signal, milliampere. This is a return signal from there. Okay, now if we change the value, can we change the value please? Yeah. So we'll see that it is coming back. Okay, and we see it is moving. Yeah, change it please. Increase the milliamperes. Yeah, increase. Yeah, keep increasing. Yes please. Yeah, stay here. So this is the position. So you see that's a command right on 16 ampere. Coming back from 15 point something. If you increase more by this one, you will see there's a feedback. So whatever we send him, getting back. Look at this one also. That's the position. We switch it off. Okay, we fix this one. So here we go. That's the position. Okay, 0. Okay, we turn it on. It should go back to the last position. There we go. Yeah, we can see there's a feedback from there, and that's the input. There's a feedback. So if I can show you, that's moving. Here we go. Yeah, as you can see that one. Yeah.